You know that video where that guy's talking about getting more Haktua from his wife because he stopped snoring? It's because he started using hostage tape in the bedroom. No, it's not some weird kink that he's into. It's actual tape that goes on your mouth to help you stop snoring. It's really stretchy and it's still breathable. Look, you can totally see through it. It basically forces you to breathe through your nose when you're sleeping rather than being a mouth breather, which is actually bad for your health and you get a crappy night's sleep. But more importantly, you're not snoring and your wife gets a good night's sleep. Pick them up. I got a link below. They come in a pack of 30, so 30-day supply. Honey,
Yeah.
how many likes do I need to get on this video to get some Haktua?
10,000.
All right, you heard it, guys. Help me out.